Hi guys, in this video we're going to simplify fractions. Now the first thing that we need to know is that when we simplify a fraction, it just means that we're cancelling down. And the first rule that we need to know for when we do that is that when we simplify, we do the same to the numerator and we do the same to the denominator. So if we divide the top number by something, we also divide the bottom number by that same number. So for example, if we had, let's do the one example here, simplify 15 over 20. What we would do is that we would look at 15 and we would look at 20. What number can we divide both of them by? This is a very easy question because we can see that they both divide by 5. So if we do the top one, 15 divided by 5, we get 3. And if we do 20 divided by 5, we get 4. So 15 over 20 simplified is 3 over 4. If we do another example over here, we can see, so the question is, simplify 15 over 27. Now we can see that both of these numbers, so if we look at 15, we know that 5 goes into it from here. But 27 cannot be divided by 5. So we've got to think of another number that we can divide both of them by. And that number is 3. So if we divide 15 by 3, we would get, so if we divide it by 3, we would get 5. And if we do 27 divided by 3, we would get 9. So 15 over 27 simplified is 5 over 9. And the reason this is the most simplified version is because we cannot cancel down any further. Now, let's do a third example here. This one is simplify 18 over 24. Now, lots and lots of different numbers can be used here, so to divide by. We can divide by 2, 18 goes in 2, so does 24. We could do 3, and we can also do 6. So if we start by dividing it by 2, if we divide 18 by 2, we get 9. And if we divide 24 by 2, we get 12. So let's make sure that we draw the arrow so we know what we're doing. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Now if we look here, 9 and 12 can be further simplified. And they can be both divided by 3. So we go another step. We can divide it by 3. And we would get 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now this cannot be simplified any further, so that is the final answer. So just to recap, let's go to the first example. We can see that whatever we do to the top fraction, the top number, the numerator, we do to the denominator because we have divided by 5 both times. And because 3 over 4 cannot be simplified any further, that is the final answer. The same thing happens here. We divide top and bottom by 3. We cannot simplify further, so 5 over 9 is the answer. Example 3, we can see that 18 and 24 can both be divided by 2. So we've divided them both by 2 first. And then we've divided them by 3 because this can still be cancelled down. And it comes into 3 over 4. Now if we wanted to do this in one step, we would do 18 divided by 6. So we could have done this. Divide by 6 or divide by 6 here to get directly to the answer. But we can always do this step by step just so we don't make any mistakes. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching.